Hi everyone, this is Emilio from Easy Clean, and this is just a quick video to give you an update about the COVID-19 situation here on the east coast of Australia. As you know, Brisbane is going into lockdown. This is from today until Monday the 11th of January. We have dealt with this in the past, and here at Easy Clean we're ready. So we have updated our COVID-19 action plan. And from Monday the 11th, all our cleaners will be using the right PPE, the right chemicals, and we will also filling out the contractor's COVID-19 form before entering into your workplace. There is also a contact tracing sheet for your workplace that you can download in our website, or you can just send us an email and we send it straight to you. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing community. We are here to help to keep your business running, and we'll keep in touch for any updates. Thank you.